Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
The innovations continue with Anker's Eufy brand of security cameras. We've mentioned the latest Wi-Fi and 4G capable model, but the real magic happens when multiple cameras are installed inside and out, when AI is used for tracking movement around or through a home. Senior Public Relations Manager Brett White.
As you walk up my driveway, there's camera one. My solo cam has detected you. It will then do a seamless handoff to my video doorbells. You'll then walk into my house. You'll walk out of the frame of the video doorbell into the frame of the indoor camera.
And the tracking can continue with a floodlight camera in the yard, etc. And the system can send you a single video clip showing the movement all the way through. The AI is enabled through a connection to Eufy's Homebase 3, which adds expandable storage.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.